Hello everyone, I am FreeCardy3D, and today, I am gonna show you how I 3D print, remove, prepare, and assemble my FlexiDesk Modular Organizer design. I used Micreality CR10 Smart Pro 3D printer with Polymaker Polyterra Mint PLA filament. I only need to print on two plates, one with the accessories and another one with the base. I love how this color turned out. To avoid bed adhesion issues or warping with those big and thin models, I activated a brim. The brim makes the first layer bigger and prevents the corners from lifting up, but you need to remove it after the print is complete. It is easy to remove using the deburring tool. This tool is very cheap and will allow you to give a professional finish to your prints in a very short time. I leave you the link to the description of the one I bought. A client asked me for a desk organizer, and I thought of not making a closed model, but one that could be adapted to anyone, and that had possibilities for growth and more organization options. For the first pack of this model, I have created a base, a space to put the mobile phone, a pot for pens or tools, and some inclined shelves to keep markers or pens sorted. To assemble it, you just need to insert each piece in its place. It doesn't need glue, and you can put it in any of the spaces. There are two narrow ones and for bigger ones with the same size. I have mounted the accessories on the back ones so that I can use the front ones to put more things, but you can organize it as you want, and also rotate the base to flip the space order. On the narrow ones, I added a mobile in the pot and a pen drive in the empty space. Some of my Star Wars and Avengers pens on the shelves, and also big pen drives figurines. On the front, I store some collectible cards and keychain rings. And on the central pot, I added some of my desk tools I use on 3D printing or other stuff. You can download this model on my 3D printing profiles. Links are in the description below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and remember, subscribe to my FreeCardy3D YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and happy printing!